How to pack an HP EngageOne point of sale.
Hi, this is Floyd Johnny with Macro Integrations, and we're here today to show you a short video on how to unpack and repack the box you will be receiving. This is the way your box will come. It has a shipping label and probably a fragile sticker on it. We will open the box, and these are the way your items will come in the box. You have a repacking manual, you have a pallet sheet that you'll put on the box later, and you also have a packing list of everything that's in the box. In the box, you have packing material that you will reuse. The first box is the register. The other boxes are a scanner, the printer cable, mouse and keyboard, APC, and the cash drawer. Okay, we'll now show you how things are unpacked, because you will reuse them. First, you take out the cash drawer. It's wrapped and has manuals in it. You take off these sides on both and save them, because your old cash drawer will fit perfectly back with this. Put it back on and put it back in this box. All cash drawers are generically packaged, so they should fit even your old one back into this box. Then you place it back in the big box. Now, depending on what you have, scanners and keyboards and APCs and printers, they may or may not go back in these boxes. You just have to improvise, because the way they are, the old printers may not fit in this box. Your keyboard's going to be old and it won't fit in this box. So just put these back in the box without any packaging at all. Everything will fit just basically as it come out. And after that, you'll take your register out. This has your power cords in it. You'll take the register out, unpack the materials around it, and then the old register that you're going to put back in the box here, you can use foam or you can use these materials to repack it with. They won't fit perfectly, but that register will fit in that box. So you take your old register and just set it in the box. You can use this as extra packing material too. Close the box up and tape it. Place back in the big box, and it fits perfectly as it did as it came out. Then you put your packing material back in the box that you saved. You will close the box up and retape it really well, the sides and the top. You will put this sheet, you'll tape it to the box. You'll also put your return label somewhere in this area here. And then you'll call FedEx or whoever it is to pick it up, and they'll come and pick it up. And this concludes our video.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. and search our channel to find official HP support videos.